ChatGPT has certainly been the popular surge so far, breaking into the AI market with groundbreaking numbers on how many people started using and subscribing to the platform. But for a lot of people, they just don't like the way that it works and they're looking for something else. So I'm going to be breaking down some of the best AI tools that you can use instead of ChatGPT. And a lot of times these tools, they're actually better to use than ChatGPT. They're going to be even easier and better than what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is more of a generalized platform that can do many different functions, where the ones I'm going to be sharing are going to be specific and provide you better outcomes than using that platform. One of the biggest restrictions to ChatGPT is that its knowledge is only trained on 2021 and older. So any current information that's going on, like say if for my business in real estate, I want to know where the current mortgage rates are sitting at and have that write me a blog, it's not going to be able to pull that information from using the free version because it's only trained on what happened in 2021 and earlier. So these tools are going to really unpack that and give you all the information that you need. The first one is going to be Chat Sonic. It offers a real-time code result, voice text to speech, and with image generation, with its main function being absolutely excelling in coding. So this one's primary function is going to be for the people who are looking to do coding and increase their productivity. My next tool is going to be Jasper. So this specializes in generating human-like text with over 50 different templates for blogs, social media, and for my personal use of using this, it provides way more robust writing styles than ChatGPT. It feels like ChatGPT kind of always plugs and plays the same things, and if you want to write in different styles, different tones, Jasper is definitely the way to go. It is a way superior product in terms of providing you written form content. The next one's going to be for all the people that wish that they had a personal assistant, can't quite afford having one currently. That is going to be UChat. This is an AI-powered assistant that has conversational web searches, and it's integrating with message apps and provides personal written responses. So this can be your answer to having a personal assistant. And for the people that are wanting the exact tools that I've used in my business to have me get back more of my time and have me net more money, then go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate, DM me AI tools. I'll share the list that I'm currently using in my business. The next AI tool that you need to be using if you don't like ChatGPT is Bard by Google. So this is Google's version of ChatGPT that is made off of all the data and stuff that Google has, and with it having all of Google's data, it has the most modern and largest language models at its fingertips in order to build for the application. And each of these tools that I've shared so far has unique features and unique pricing, and so many people could just get overwhelmed when they try to use every single one of the tools that I talk about in these videos, when really if there's one that speaks out to you or one pain point that is really hindering your everyday life or tasks that you just hate doing that feel really mundane, those should be the tools that you should plug in first. Don't do every single one that I've listed off because it's going to be completely overwhelming. All these tools are very simple to use. You just have to dedicate a little bit of time to mastering them and actually applying them into your business. And for the people that want to stay more up to date and on the leading edge of what's going on in AI, well, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting out a lot of content on how I'm using AI to transform my business. And for the people that want to take it a step further and they would like to see the exact tools that I'm using in my business to help me net more money and get some of my time back, well, go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and shoot me a DM saying AI tool.